Hi children, good morning to all. Welcome back to our English online classes. So we have completed our 5th chapter, Dum Dum the Baby Elephant. And we have completed the notes. Let us discuss the workbook of that lesson, page number 9 and 10. In that lesson, we will discuss describing words and the names of shops. Now let us discuss the workbook of that lesson, page number 9 and 10. Lesson 5, Dum Dum the Baby Elephant. The first exercise, read about Hops the rabbit. Here they are given some sentences about a rabbit and the rabbit's name is Hops. I will read the sentences. Hops is a little rabbit. Hops is a white rabbit. His back legs are strong. He has small paws and long ears. Hops has a soft tail. Here they are describing the rabbit in a sentence. So I will read the first one. Hops is a little rabbit. So how is Hop? Yes, he is a little rabbit. Next one. Hops is a white rabbit. What is the color of the rabbit? Yes, white. His back legs are strong. What about his back legs? Yes, they are strong. He has small paws. What about his paws? Yes, they are very small. And long ears, and his ears are long. Hops has a soft tail. What about his tail? Yes, he has a soft tail. So in this sentence they are using so many describing words like little, white, strong, small, long and soft, and below they are given some exercise. Write one word to describe these. They are given some sentences and we need to write the one word of that description. So the first one, Hops the rabbit. They are given the answer little. How about this rabbit? Yes, little one. So Hops the rabbit is little. Second one, the rabbit's color. What's the color of the rabbit? Yes, white. So here we can write the color of the rabbit white. W-H-I-T-E. Third one, the rabbit's legs. How is his legs? Yes, legs are strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. So third one, the rabbit's legs strong. Fourth one, the rabbit's paws. What about his paws? Yes, small. What spelling of small? Yes, M-A-L-L, small. So the rabbit's paws are small. Fifth one, the rabbit's ears. What about its ears? Yes, ears are long. L-O-N-G, long. So we can write the one word of these descriptions. First one, Hops the rabbit little. Second one, the rabbit's color white. Third one, the rabbit's legs strong. Fourth one, the rabbit's paws small. Fifth one, the rabbit's ears long. And the next exercise B, where can you buy? In this lesson we have studied names of shops. Here they are given some things name and we need to find out from which shop we will get these things. First one, toy train, soft toy teddy bear and doll. First one, toy train, soft toy teddy bear and doll. From where we will get these toys? Yes, from a toy shop. What spelling of toy shop? T-O-Y-S-H-O-P, toy shop. So first one, toy train, soft toy teddy bear and doll, that we will get from a toy shop. Second one, mangoes, oranges, grapes and apples. Mangoes, oranges, grapes and apples. From where we will get these fruits? Yes, from a fruit shop. What is the spelling of fruit shop? F-R-U-I-T-S-H-O-P, fruit shop. So we will get mangoes, oranges, grapes and apples from a fruit shop. And third one, wheat, salt, sugar and cereals. Wheat, salt, sugar and cereals. From where we will get these? Yes, from a grocery. What's spelling of grocery? Grocery, grocery. So we will get wheat, salt, sugar and cereals from a grocery. Fourth one, bread, cakes, buns and biscuits. Bread, cakes, buns and biscuits. From where we will get these? Yes, from a bakery. What is spelling of bakery? Bakery, bakery. So I will repeat. First one, toy train, soft toy teddy bear and doll, that we will get from toy shop. Second one, mangoes, oranges, grapes and apples we will get from a fruit shop. Third one, wheat, salt, sugar and cereals that we will get from a grocery. Fourth one, bread, cakes, buns and biscuits we will get from a bakery. The next exercise from page number 10 from your workbook. See, this is Meenu. Complete the sentences using the correct words from the box. Here they are given the picture of a girl and her name is Meenu. So this is Meenu. Complete the sentences using the correct words from the box. Here they are given some describing words. The first one short, second one brown, third one heavy, fourth one pretty and fifth one black. I will repeat. short, short, second one brown, brown, third one heavy, heavy, fourth one pretty, pretty, fifth one black. So these are the words given here, and using these words and we need to complete the following sentences. Here they are given some sentences about the girl Meenu, and I will read one by one. First one they have already done. First one, Meenu is a short girl. Meenu is a short girl. Second one, she is looking dash in the dress. She is looking dash in the dress. Which word is suitable here? In the bracket, the words are short, brown, heavy, pretty and black. How she looks like? Yes, she looks very pretty. Pretty means beautiful. So second one, she is looking pretty in the dress. pretty, pretty. So here we can use the word pretty. Third one, Meenu has dash hair. What's the color of her hair? Yes, black. black. So Meenu has black hair. Fourth one, Meenu is carrying a dash bag. Meenu is carrying a dash bag. What's the color of her bag? Brown color. So here we can write brown, brown. So Meenu is carrying a brown bag. So I will repeat the sentences. This is a picture of a girl and her name is Meenu. Here they are given some words. Using these words we need to complete the following sentences. First one, Meenu is a short girl. Second one, she is looking pretty in the dress. Third one, Meenu has black hair. Fourth one, Meenu is carrying a brown bag. So children, today we have completed the workbook page number 9 and 10. All of you complete the workbook and write and study the notes and study well for the exam. So we can meet in the next classroom with a new topic. Till then, take care. Thank you.